In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Figma into React code for free using a simple plugin workflow inside Figma. This is a great method if you want to speed up your design to development process, preview your layouts in code form, or get a head start on building UI components without starting from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design you want to convert. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps extra tools, shortcuts, and plugin options. Click the Actions icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, choose Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to the section where you can search for and run third-party plugins directly inside Figma. Now use the search bar and type Anima. Anima is the plugin we'll use to convert your Figma design into React code for free. When it appears in the results, click on it and then run it. If this is your first time using the plugin, you may need to allow permissions or wait for it to load into your file. After the plugin is open, go back to your design and select the layer you want to convert to React. You can select a single component, a frame, or the specific section of the design you want exported, depending on your workflow. Make sure you choose the correct layer because the plugin will generate code based on whatever is selected. Once the layer is selected, use the Anima interface to start the React conversion process. The plugin will analyze your design and generate code that reflects the layout and structure of your Figma elements. This is especially useful for building landing pages, dashboards, cards, and other UI sections quickly. After the conversion is complete, review the generated React output carefully. Even though this is a fast way to move from design to code, it's still a good idea to check spacing, responsiveness, and component structure before using it in a real project. You may want to clean up the code, split large sections into smaller components, or connect it to your existing styling system. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn Figma into React code for free using the Anima plugin inside Figma. If this video helped you save time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.